So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of very important opportunity from the company IBM, Microsoft and other hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for important job opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity from the IBM, they are looking for the role of software developer intern, and this is the biggest hiring. So job location will be Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Telangana and Karnataka. So if you are the freshers and if you have bachelor degree, then you can apply for this. Required technical experience is that you should have hands-on knowledge in core, Java, OAD, design pattern, data structure algorithm, and develop both end user application. Means if you have some proficiency in this, then you can apply. And they have clearly mentioned year of experience 0 to 0. Means freshers are eligible for this. So 2025 must apply for that. Okay, and we have earlier also provided you the update related to ASC hiring. So those who haven't applied, it must apply for the associate system engineer. This is also biggest hiring. Still they're accepting the applications. Okay, so for that you should have just knowledge of any one language, SDLC concept, and for 2024 or 2025 pass out batch can apply. Okay, for ASC hiring for 2026 still not announced. Whenever it will be announced, I will provide update. No need to worry. Just subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. Next important opportunity from the Zepto, they are hiring for the role of data scientist 1, supply chain optimizations, and freshers are eligible for this. So if you have knowledge on ML and have done some project in ML, then this is a wonderful opportunity, because you know Zepto is a big emerging company, and if you want you can apply by basically updated resume. You have to just provide your proficiency in all those tech stack and just upload your resume. Again saying, before applying for any job, make sure to update your resume according to the job description, then only you will get the reward. Next opportunity from the Microsoft, they are looking for the role of data center technician intern. So this is a technician role, and if you want to work with Microsoft, a large MNC product based company, then you can apply. This is a support role, but yeah, you will get a lots of perks and benefit. This is a wonderful opportunity. So required qualification, high school diploma or equivalent, basic knowledge of computer hardware and IT equipment. So this is a support role, but in Microsoft it will be really good things. And they are having for 2 locations, Chennai, this is for Chennai, and this is for the different location, I think Bangalore. Okay, sorry, Pune, Chennai and Pune location they are hiring. So if you are interested, you can apply. Next opportunity from the Cornerstone, they are looking BTech freshers. So if you are interested, you can apply with your updated resume. Okay, so you will be basically redirected to new page, and you have to just provide all your basic details. So they are looking for the role of junior engineer quality, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Okay, moving to next opportunity, that is from Affle. They are hiring for the role of software developer intern, test intern. To 2026 and 2025 both can apply for this wonderful opportunity. For applying, just you have to click the apply link, and you will be basically redirected to new page, or I will share you the direct apply link. So job location is Gurgaon and Haryana, and again saying must apply within the stipulated time, otherwise any time your link can be expired. Next opportunity, that is for the role of teaching. So if you are means online tutor, if you want to become online tutor at Byju's, Vedantu, etc, means if you are interested in teaching, then you can just basically apply for this wonderful opportunity, and you can just share your resume to this mail ID. Okay, Kanisk Services Private Limited, this is a wonderful opportunity for a teacher, means if you want to become a teacher. Next opportunity for the role of fresher software training backend and front-end developer. So if you are interested in development, means technical position, then you can apply for this. This is the again good hiring, and most of the time candidates are getting reward. Okay, so basic knowledge of Node.js, REST API requirement, means you should have knowledge of REST API, how they work, how they manage the database and all those. So if you want, you can just apply with your updated resume. Okay, Affle, I have already provided update. So Affle is also a good company. Friends, recently TCS have released the result, and many of our candidates, means who have participated in our mock interview, got selected. So if you are the candidates also selected for the interview and want to get idea about the interview किस तरह से जाता है, want resume review, then you can basically fill the Google form in the description. I will provide you complete support which will help you to clear this interview, and all the best to the candidates who have exam for the. So if you are interested, you can fill the form. Moving to next importantly from the Tech Solution, they are hiring for the role of Python AI intern. Stipend 30 to 35k you can get, and 2026 2025 both are legal for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so for applying, just you have to basically click this link, or I will provide you just direct link. You can apply for this. Next company, S&P Global. So they are looking for the role of data analyst, and this is also wonderful opportunity. I think, yeah, that was I looking for, means that is expired. So you can see within 3 to 4 hours links is getting expired. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. No one know when link will expire, and you might miss the biggest opportunity. Next important opportunity, the visiting student program at Indian Institute of Astrophysics. So this is a kind of normal program related to visiting, and this is a wonderful opportunity. If you are interested, you can basically apply for this. So this is summer internship 2026 from the Grad Square, and these are the things. So updated last 2074 hour, Indian Institute Space Lab summer internship 2026, and the other things. Just go through it, and if you want, you can apply for this. Last opportunity, that is from the hackathon and only for the women in software engineering. So you will get cash prize up to 3 lakh, mentorship from TI engineer, and registration open 6 April to 29 April. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity and share among your friends. Okay, keep applying for all trying. Okay, so there will be grand finale. So if you are from the BE, BTech, CS, IT and have 7.5 CGPA till, then you can apply for this. For this role, you should have graduating in 2028. So if you are interested, you can apply. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask a commenter. I am here to help you, and we can connect on LinkedIn or Insta or whatever profile you are comfortable with. We will provide you the guidance. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.